This is a quick introduction to the Zetasizer Nano Series software, specifically designed for our most popular system, the Zetasizer ZS. And so there's many ways once you get a result to export the data. As you see here on the record view, I have a lot of different parameters here that I have actually customized that I would like to maybe put into a table, into maybe Excel. And so if you highlight the ones that you would like to export, you could simply right click and hit copy if you like, or hit Control C, and then go into Excel and paste those values and have your table basically of those results. If you want to further customize all of these different parameters and make your own table before exporting, you can go into customizing the workspace, which is found here, and you can add as many parameters as you would like. You see many different things listed here, including, maybe some D50 values, D80 values, or something like that, looking at the count rate, all of those things. Anyhow, I have customized this to what I like to see when I export the results. Another way of exporting the results or replotting the data is to simply highlight your result, look at potentially I want to replot an intensity distribution. I can go to Edit, Copy Size Values, and basically that will allow me to paste that into Excel and replot that exact plot that you see here. Another way of exporting in the software would be to basically, if I want to maybe export everything that you see here, I could go to File, Export, and then you can set up your own template of basically what parameters you would like to export and then where you would like them saved. So you can kind of do a batch exporting, which exports them to a CSV file. So that's some of the few ways that you can export data easily within the Zetasizer Nano Series software.